hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Hey boys and girls, Mr. Smith here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to draw our favorite cat. That's right, talking about Pete the Cat, inspired by the book by Kimberly and James Dean called Pete the Cat, Valentine's Day is Cool. And I'm going to leave a link just below in the description on where your parents can purchase this book if they choose. So if you want to find out how easy it is to draw Pete, all you need to do is just watch. We're going to make a curving line that looks like a smiling face. This will be the bottom of Pete's face. Next, we're going to make two diagonal lines for the outsides of his ears. Then we're going to make two more diagonal lines on the inside of his ears and connect both of them with a curving line on the inside. Next, we're going to make two more smiling face lines for the bottoms of his eyes, and then we're going to make two frowns connecting them to make two eyes. But we need to make his pupils with some more curving lines and smaller shapes inside of that. We're going to go in and make his nose. First, we're going to make a straight line, and then it's going to curve around back to the top. We're going to start making his arms coming from underneath his head and just a little bit of his body, because most of his body is not going to be seen because we're going to make a nice big Valentine's Day heart, which Pete will be holding in his hands. Two curving lines to make your hearts, and then we're going to have some more hearts in the background on the left and right. We're going to have 1, 2, 3 heart shapes on the left and 3 heart shapes on the right. To make your hearts, we're just going to make a curving line and bring it around. Curving line, take it down and bring it around. Now, hearts are nice, but let's make 4 straight lines and some curving lines for his sneakers. Put the little eyelids in. And once we color, we'll put some more details in. How about some balloons? I think balloons add a nice touch. And we can make 3 on both sides with a little curving string. And that's it. Now I'm going to drop this in my iPad so I can add some color to it. I've dropped this into my iPad. Now I'm going to start adding color, some reds, some yellow in the background, blue for Pete, some pinks and fuchsias for the balloons. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. I am going to leave a coloring page in the description that can be downloaded for free for anybody that needs it. And thank you for watching.